Hello, my name is Mauro, and today I want to show you three places that are really lying in my neighborhood. This is the first place. I love the Grand Mountain. There is a lot of grass and many trees. In the mountain, you can breathe very fresh, and it is a really fish place. Next how, and countryside everywhere. We usually go on weekends to spend time with our family. Um, and finally, my favorite is the place where there race trout. There are so many fish, although for now they are very small. The water is very clear because it's come direct from the mountain, and the best part is that I can eat fresh fish here. Thank you.